Where is he?
My ball right over there. It was hitting.
It's better right here.
Let's put it right there.
What, how about right there? Kick it right there.
I don't know how to.
Come back this way. Be careful, okay? Don't fall, okay, Amir? Come here this way. You're almost there. Get over here. Come on. No, now you got to. No, come here. You going to pass it to me? Pass it to Daddy. Hey, let me ask you something, okay? Come here. No, Hashati Braha. No. Okay, stop right there. Get the ball and come here. Stop for a second. Come here right here. I'm going to ask you a question, okay?
Okay.
This is for Uma. Say Uma.
Uma.
Amantahu.
Amantahu.
Hey? Tell her you went to school today. How was your madrasa?
I went to school today.
Madrasa harkhuba. Say madrasa. Harkhu.
Hahu.
Ma.
Mom.
Uma yo dakhokh.
Hada.
Uma udakhokh. Say Uma udakhokh.
Uma udakhokh. Let's play some more soccer ball.
Soccer ball?
This is how to play soccer. Like this. Like this.
Here, let me see something. Come here. Come here. Say one thing to Uma. Tell her what did you do at the school today?
I want to play, and I didn't go in the playroom.
Who are you talking to now? Uma Roda? Say Uma Roda.
Uma Roda. I went outside for a minute, and we didn't go to the playroom. And I had McDonald's and nuggets and French fries. That's all I ate.
Okay, you gotta kick it to me now. You ready to play? Ooh, you kicked it, boy. You kicked it.
I tipped it.
Yes, you kicked it.
I tipped it to you.
That was a good kick.
Yes, that was. You want me to do it again?
Do it again.
Okay, this is how I play a soccer ball. Like this.
Like what?
This is how I play soccer ball.
Oh, that was a good one, man. Come give me a high five. Come give me a high five. That was a good one. Love you. I love you.
I love you.
Come here. Get over here.